Welcome everybody to top 3 tips I'm going to show you. Our first tip. So if you are able to use the slingshot or anything else, just go to the slingshot like to the ladder over here. Go to the ladder and then go to the slingshot right here. Oh my god, what am I doing to myself? What the heck? What the heck am I doing to myself right now? I'm like, nuts. Go up here. Go. So, if you're able to go into this 10 spot right here, or you can walk up here, or use the slingshot. I recommend you use it, and then you use that, and let's go up here, and if you're able to use that cannon, also make sure you have a parachute. If you don't, you won't be able to use this tip. And so, if you use, wait, now hold on real quick, I need to complete this question. What's going on? Okay, so, why the heck? Okay, so, let's go to the yellow cannon, then, okay, you can use a red cannon, either. Oh my! What the heck is going on? Guys, I'm sorry if I'm glitchy, pretty glitchy, because I don't know why. So you can use the red cannon, so we're going to try and go on top of the shop up there. If we go on top of the shop, we could be able to, why the heck am I so clicking? We will be able to get free royal jelly, and yeah. No. Okay, I'm lucky. What the? Okay, there's that star door right there. So if you go over here, just unparachute yourself. It makes different music. There's a royal jelly right there. Let's go over here inside. See? There's a royal jelly dispenser. You need a gifted bee. You need 2 of them, and then you have all kinds of stars up here. Alright, up to next tip. Our very next tip is to always complete quests. It's the fastest way to get honey, tickets, and royal jelly. Or treats. And our third tip. This might not be the last one. I might give you an extra tip if I have time, or if I can't think of anything else. So, if you go over here, see that? Well, actually, no. So, let's go over here. So, you can use this parachute to go over here and grab this royal jelly. Let's grab it. So, you use the slingshot or the cannon to get the royal jelly, and also, if you have 4 legendary bees, you can summon a honey storm. And also, it's kind of creepy, but it talks and it says honey storm for some reason. I'm not sure why. So I got a strawberry? I didn't know that. It's so glitchy. Can't see anything. Like, so glitchy. It's kind of really gets you more glitchy when you turn on the honey storm. This guy's lucky. Okay, let me pause the video real quick. Our last tip. Boosters are very helpful because once you use them, you can go super fast, or get more, or collect more pollen, or some. Sorry. We go over here. Let's go over here. So there are 3 boosters. No, wait. No, there's more boosters. Wait. Yeah, there's 3 boosters. 2. Wait, I think there's 5 dispensers. Yeah, there's 5 or 6 dispensers. So if we go upstairs in the blue headquarters, there is this one here, the blue field booster, and the blueberry dispenser. It also gives you some blue boost for that pine tree forest. Let's go to pine trees forest. Choose this. I don't know why this is the worst place to do it. So let's go over here. Alright, we don't need to go to the pine tree forest just yet. We're gonna go over here and go over here. So you can go inside and go up the ladder, or you can just parachute. What's going on? Jeez. Took me forever to. What the heck is it so glitzy? I'm done. So you can go inside, or either you can parachute, but it's more glitchy and hard. So here's the booster. The rose field right next to us. And here is a dispenser. Haste, strawberries, and here's a code right here. It's a roof. And that was the extra tip. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you next video. See you next time.